go to the next song.
Oh.
And the story behind it.
So I was, I think I was 15 years old. 15 taon ako, tapos meron akong girlfriend, well, nililigawan. No? Kakalabas lang ng kantang Nandito Ako, which was a big hit, 1990. It was naging Song of the Year siya. Sabi ko, kailangan ko ng ballad na ako mismo ang sumulat. Kasi actually, yung Nandito Ako, hindi po akong sumulat yan eh. That was written by the great Aaron Paul Del Rosario. So sabi ko, kailangan gumawa ako ng kanta na ako mismo yung sumulat na ballad. So I said, I should come up with a ballad. Itong kaibigan ko si Jelly de Belen. Sabi ko sa kanya, Jelly, meron akong bagong kanta eh. Pwede ba ikaw na yung maging leading lady ko dun sa music video?
Do you know that you're sexy? Hindi nga. Alam mo, ang sexy mo pag kumakanta ka. Kasi, you know, I had a conversation with you about which is easier to write a heartbreak song or a falling in love. And you told me heartbreak.
Heartbreak, kasi ano yan eh. Una-una, mas mabenta siya.
Totoo yan.
Diba?
Intense, di ba?
Oo. Pagkatapos, hindi mo na kailangang imbentuhin pa yung kwento eh. Totoong-totoo siya eh. Isa sa mga pangarap ko noon ay sumulat ng awitin para kay Miss Lea Salonga. By fate, it just so happened, napunta siya sa album ni Piolo Pascual and it became a huge...